jump. Jumper. Airballs. PMO is up by 5 points, 11 to 6. Number 19 with the jumper again. Good. 12 to 6. Lead by the PMO. Tito Paul. Brazan with the rebound. 12 to 7. Good ball yan. PMO ball. Number 19 rebound. For the PMO. Passes back to Palacios. Palacios. Bringing in screen. Palacios now open. What a defense. Tito Paul. Diaz.
Pinapakita ko sa'yo.
Tanong ko si Abda.
5.
Brazan with the body. Easy basketball ball. Brazan. Number 19 passes to Palacios. Palacios. Pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz for 3. Tries to make a play for the Brady. Bully ball.
Ay, kampi kayo ni Seth, pre. Ay, kampi kayo ni Jerica. Tingnan mo.
Kami ni Clay. Oo, so.
Sige.
Kaiyan?
Palit ako kay Tom.
Saan ka Kian?
Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Pinasali.
PMO is up
Apir ka dyan.
7 points. 15 to 8.
Nakumpa kayo.
Dito sa ano?
Paul Brazan next to make his last free throw.
11 actually.
Ayun, may pwede dito.
Paul Brazan ang free throw niya.
Tangkad mo.
Diaz for 3 again. No good. Rebound kay Tito Paul. Nakuha ni Diaz. Diaz, pinasa kay number 19. Nakuha ni Tito Paul. Tito Paul clears the ball. Tito Paul for 3. Wala. Rebound kay Palacios. Palacios. Pinasa kay number 19. Teardrop. Block. No basket. Clear ball. Last 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Kuya John takes the 3 points. No good. Tito Paul with the rebound. Nawala.
So, matagal pa yun.
To 9. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock, 5 seconds for the PMO. Pinasa ni number 19, Pinege. Na-steal ni Mr. Paul Brazan. Good goal yan. Pinasa kay Lopez for 3. No good. Tito Paul with the rebound. Tito Paul sizes up number 20. Na-rebound ulit ni Tito Paul. Foul, number 19. 2 free throws coming up for Tito Paul. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. PMO is still up by 6. First free throw up for Tito Paul. Tito Paul is not taking his last free throw. Paul with the rebound. 15 to 10. PMO leads the ball game 15 to 10 against the Brady. Winner advances to the night.
Laro ka para may ano to kalaro to. Nag-iisang lalaki na kasi to.
Next season. Next league po ng mga bata. Ang babang yata.
Back to the ball game. PMO ball. Last 1 minute.
Kanina may tumawag na wala.
Diaz inbounds to Palacios.
Okay po. Ay putik, may tumawag. No ba? Walang magawa sa buhay.
Ano
kaya yun?
Tira. Wala.
Tumawag kanina.
Out of bounds.
Oh my God.
Ano oras na?
Wait lang, check na.
Pong, alas 4, alas 5 na.
7.
Pinasa kay Paul. Jump shot no good. Rebound by Palacios. Uses his time. 1 minute, 20 seconds left. Blocked by Paul Bozan. Pinasa kay Lopez for 3. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz. Last 1 minute. 3.
Boy.
Kaya mo binibigay ko na kasi.
Lopez passes the ball to Razan. Passes to the ball for 3. Tito Paul for 3 points. Score is 17 to 12. Palacios to the ball. Last 35 seconds of the ball.
Oy, ayos kayo dyan.
Rebound ulit ni Palacios. Pinasa kay Diaz. 10 seconds.
Excuse me. Third. Sige dyan. Si Jong.
Diaz for 3 again. Wala. Na-rebound ni Tito Paul.
Jong.
Tito Paul, pinasa kay Lopez for 3. Wala. Rebound Palacios. 15 seconds left in the game. 10 seconds shot clock. Good. PMO advances to tonight's
Ayun, naka-shed. Siya dun.
Finals Season 4 2.0. Congratulations, PMO.
Congratulations.
Dren. Stop.
Next up, Great League.